guys, I'm gonna start using this for my hair because this one it's going to be bulb. So this is still silk. Okay, the tape is off. Then pull it like this. Let's see. Looks like a packaging. See what it said, scalp serum. This is DB scalp DBY. I don't know how to say it right. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Scalp serum, revitalize plus detoxify. Oh, improves appearance of the thin hair, nourish hair follicles, and detoxifiers product buildup. Okay, 30 ml. I got one coming for the future backup. So this is a dropper. Shake it. And there you go. Okay guys, I'm gonna drop it here only. Oops! Okay guys, I'm gonna apply. Oh my goodness, I drop it on my face. The hair gonna grow in my face. Look at that. It's so watery guys. You have to be careful. Okay, well, I'm just taking video. I have my hand holding my phone while I'm doing this. So, let's see how it works.
Make it thick.
Okay, this is nice because you can put it there like that. Stand it there. Oh, wow.